We need two apps for the project. 1. Microchip Studio. 2. Proteus 8. Step 1. Open Microchip Studio. Click on the file. Then New Project. Select Executive Project and save it. Search for 16A and select. Click OK. Write the program, link in the description. Then click on the build, then build solution. And wait for the build successful. Now open Proteus 8. Click on a schematic capture. Click on Pick Device. Search for ATmega16. Select ATmega16A and click on OK. Now again click on the Pick Device and search for 7-segment common cathode LED. Select and click on OK. Now positioning LED in IC. Now connect the ports to LED. Take a ground and connect to LED. Now double-click on ATmega16A and select the hex file we create by Microchip Studio. And click on OK. Now click on the Debug and Run. Then the simulation will start. Thank you all.